In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an action plan so you can achieve your goals. Setting goals is a part of human nature. We are continually working to become better versions of ourselves and looking to upgrade the experiences in our life. The challenge we face in achieving our goals is being able to create and follow a plan that will make the goals we set a reality. Before you begin creating your action plan, you need to make sure that you have set SMART goals. SMART goals are goals that give you clarity and a deadline for achieving them. Step 1. Work backwards to set milestones. One of the challenges you may face in reaching your goals is that the deadline you've set for achieving them may be so far away that you put off taking action until it's too late. Rather than looking at the amount of time you have and the goal you are trying to reach, create mini-goals that will move you toward completing the big goal. Step 2. Determine what needs to happen to reach your goals. This stage is about getting specific about the goals you want to achieve. This includes both the mini-goals you've just established and the overall bigger goal you're trying to reach. Sit down and figure out what steps you'll need to take to achieve all of your goals. Step 3. Put your action steps into motion. You should now have a list of steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Now you need to give each a deadline by placing it on your calendar. Giving your tasks a specific time frame and writing them on your schedule will require you to learn how to manage your time to ensure you can complete these new tasks on time. Step 4. Follow through. After you've completed the previous 3 steps, you should have your daily schedule and targets to shoot for as you work your way through accomplishing your goals. Throughout the process, you need to follow through with yourself to ensure you're completing the daily tasks you've assigned yourself. Keep track of your accomplishments and results so you can evaluate how well your plan is working. Set aside time every month to assess your plan and make any necessary changes to help keep you on track. It's easy to set goals. The challenge is in actually achieving your goals. Creating an action plan to guide you through the process will help ensure you accomplish every goal you set for yourself.